Welcome to Mora FC. If you are new to this channel, you make sure you subscribe it, you like, you share. After watching it, you comment, you tell me what you think, you share your ideas with me, what you think, what is needed to be added on it. You press on the notification bell so anytime that I'll post a video like this and you be the first person to see it, you like it, then you comment. Share it to other people so that they can learn how to do it. So let's get started. You have to get your fabric, an elastic fabric. When you measure the circumference head of the person, let's say you got 20, you have to deduct 1 inch from it so that you left 19. So the 19 that we are going to use. You can use any measurement that you want. You can see how elastic the fabric is, how big, how small you want it. You can use it. This is a bow I use. You can use your own measurement. It depends on how big, how small you want it to be. So let's get sewing. You fold the fabric into 2. You leave 1 inch. Before sewing, you stitch it there strongly. Then you sew. And at the end, you leave 1 inch also there and make a stitch. Like this, you double stitch that. Use zigzag to sew. Use zigzag. Don't sew normal. It's elastic, so you gotta use zigzag. Otherwise, the fabric can be stretched. You gotta use zigzag to sew it. You make a notch at the center. Then you take the bow, you fold into 2. You have to sew around it, all the square. Sew around all the square. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe it. You like, you share, you comment. Yeah, you have to go around of it. You can see the zigzag stitch. And this is a normal sewing. This is the bed of the bow. You cut off the excess thread out of there, then you turn it inside over. You take the band, you turn it over. Just have to take your time. When you turn it over like this and you press it, the way that you've seen it, press it. And now we're going to join it together so that we get round. Take your time. This is how it's gonna look like. So the place that you sew, you have to let it come to the middle of it. And this is the bow. You just have to cut the edges. Make sure you don't cut through the fabric. Now we're gonna cut the middle. So you gotta check and see where the middle lies. Don't cut it so big. You have to look at the bed that you are going to use it and cut it the size of the bed, but make sure the bed is bigger than the hole that you make there. So you turn it, take it easy at this point. And take it easy and turn it over. Take your time. Voila! You pull out the edges. Then you iron it. Give it a nice press. You can see how beautiful it looks. We have not even finished yet. Then you make your bow. You fold it like this. Make sure this part, this place, face the band, the headband. Let this part face it. So you just have to pin it with thread, so that it holds it firm, so that it becomes easy for you when you are attaching the bow to the headband. The place that we join it together, that's the place that you're going to fold and put the band there. The place that we join together, that's the place you're going to fold again and put the bow there. This is how it's going to look. So to make it easy for you again, just have to pin it with thread. To hold it down. Make sure you subscribe, it, you like, you share, you comment. We are almost done. So you put your bow there. Have you seen the way that I put it? Then you have to pull it strongly. Pull it really hard. Use all your muscle to pull it really hard so that to hold it firm and strong. That you just have to hold it down so it becomes easy for you when sewing. Then you cut the excess out. Then you turn it over, only the belt. Take your time and turn it over. Yup, you have done. Have you seen how amazing, how beautiful it look like? Try your hands on it. You can do different style, different measurement. You can see how beautiful it look like. That's your hairband with bow on top. Beautiful done. So try your hand, never stop. Try your hands on it. Keep on doing it.